Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Put on gloves and goggles because acid and sparks are real hazards. With the ignition off and keys removed, confirm the car is in park or neutral. Locate the battery and visually identify negative, marked, and positive, marked plus. This matters because you'll remove the negative first to prevent shorting. Once you've cleared tools and any vent caps, use a wrench sized to the terminal nuts and position yourself so the tool won't bridge both terminals. Now remove the battery. Loosen the negative terminal clamp and pull it back away from the post. Do not let the wrench touch the positive. Next, loosen the positive terminal and remove it. Release any hold-down bracket or strap and lift the battery straight up using both hands. Batteries are heavy. Inspect the tray and terminals for corrosion and the case for cracks or bulging. If you see green-white buildup, clean with baking soda solution later. If the case is damaged, replace the battery. To reinstall, seat the battery firmly in the tray and secure the hold down so it won't shift. Attach the positive terminal first and tighten the clamp snugly, then attach the negative terminal. This sequence prevents sparks. Once connected, wipe terminals and apply a thin coat of protective grease to slow corrosion. Start the engine. Make sure the voltmeter reads around 12. 6 to 14. 4 volts and dashboard lights clear. If the car won't start or you see smoke or strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.